How to plan a route on Sygic. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can plan a route on Sygic. And this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Sygic application, just like I've done here, and then move to the top right corner of the screen, click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there. Then amongst the options displayed, ensure you select settings. On the settings page, you can see the general tab. Just under the general tab, you can see route, planning, and navigation. So select that. So here you now have the opportunity, the privilege to plan your route and customize it to suit you. So we have the fast route compute. So select the kind of route compute that you want. So you want the fastest route, shortest route, or economic route. Select the one you want. Then what are your route options? Do you want to avoid highways? Do you want to avoid toll roads? Whichever one you want, just ensure that you turn on the toggle for the one you want. For the one you do not want, put off the toggle this way. So that is how you interact with distance. So ensure you select the one that you want. Then you have navigation options. Okay, driving mode, customize that. So you want the 3D mode, the 2D mode, or the 2D mode with north up. Select it. Then auto zoom, the one you don't want, like I said, put up the toggle. The one you want to put on the toggle. Then you can see places on route if you want to cite or if you want to display certain places on your route. You also have the opportunity to do that. Select the one you want. Then you also have an option for it to select junction view, exit, etc. So just customize it, and then once you're done, your route will be planned the exact way you want it to be. So this is how you can plan a route on Sygic. I hope I have answered the question. So go explore this feature out. Thank you for watching and do have a great day.